At Hanyang Women's University, learning begins with possibility and grows into professional expertise. Since 1974, Hanyang Women's University has nurtured talented women with knowledge, practical skills, and confidence. Its academic programs are connected through 7 areas, including future technology, design, media contents, wellness, administration, global services, and liberal studies. The School of Future ICT builds practical talent for digital industries through software, data, AI, and convergence technologies. Department of Software Convergence. Department of IT Contents Convergent. Department of Big Data. Department of AI Convergence. The School of Design helps students turn ideas into form, space, and style through practical design training. Department of Ceramic Design. Department of Knit Fashion Design. Department of Industrial Design. Department of Interior Design. Department of Fashion Industry. The School of Media Contents helps students create stories across writing, design, video, music, and webtoon for today's media platforms. Department of Creative Writing. Department of Visual Media Design. Department of Moving Image Contents. Department of Applied Music. Department of Webtoon. The School of Wellness Industry prepares students for professional fields that support healthier lives through food, health, sports, care, culinary arts, and beauty. Department of Food and Nutrition. Department of Sport Health Management. Department of Dental Hygiene. Department of Health Administration. Department of Companion Animal Health. Department of Culinary Arts and F&B Management. Department of K-Beauty. The School of Human Administration helps students support people, organizations, and communities through care, education, welfare, accounting, and smart office skills. Department of Early Childhood Education. Department of Social Welfare. Department of Child Educare. Department of Tax and Accounting. Department of Office Administration. The School of Global Services connects students to the world through language, tourism, hospitality, aviation, and global business. Department of Hotel and Tourism. Department of English. Department of Global Service Business Administration. Department of Japanese. Department of Chinese. Department of Airline Service. Liberal Studies opens the door to new possibilities. At Hanyang Women's University, every field becomes a foundation for tomorrow.